Yeah. Stay safe. Wash your hands at the running water for at least 20 seconds. Sanitize your hands. And please, stay at home. There comes a time when we hear a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying from coronavirus. It's time to lend a helping hand. We can go on if we listen day by day to wash our hands and try to stay at home. 'Cause we are all part of God's great big family. And it's true, the love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home, try to stay at home. There's a chance we make it, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home, try and stay at home, 'cause there's a chance we make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day, just you and me. Lord have mercy on us. Sanitize your hands and wash your hands day by day. Remind someone to do the same thing too. 'Cause there's a chance we make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we know love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children.
Say bono brown obidum bie kwakwa dukumi ohima sachiwa ahwenepa akrofi abusia patreni ni amani edoso eso awrade eyi ni free ni nyinem anapai ameshe ukran rade be show so obeka ho o ma wona impembo o ban kamen Papa don't go to share for 12 so and then somebody can catch out. You ready? I know you packed the pan. Yanda petrol so I say clean fuel in full quantity. So say somewhere I'm cover petrol so hono no cre. Open fuel kind and they will kind petrol so bebo engine no buy. Etibora filling station, petrol so filling station bia na yen serve come on. Yeah boy I hope I'm free COVID-19 and no man penny his excellency. Okay side. But kasani nyina ye beka enso be wie me ne wo kan ya be fa so e de sanse mi e de atu anamode aye adwuma aboye ne ya busua ho ban ana pa yenhwe kwan ya be fa so e de sanitizer, hand sanitizer, alcohol based hand sanitizer. Yɛde adi dwuma ɛwɔ yɛ fiefie ahodoɔ mu. Yɛnim sɛ sanitizer ne ade baako a ɛboa bɔ yɛ ho ban. Yɛde yɛ yɛn nsa ho, yɛde pepɛ nneɛma ho ne adeɛ no. Ɛboa paa. But she went sumame. Se kwan bia so miawani se sanitizer no unfancy bia e mofra no ensa besoso. Here se mofra no amu use bie. But in as much as possible, keep alcohol-based hand sanitizers out of children's reach. Se wamu kwan on befa so e use no. Na ma wani nko omo ho. Ma wani nko omo ho. Yedi ho sanitizer no nyane bebre ba be use on the baby. Apply a coin-sized amount on your hands. There is no need to use a large amount of the product. Akrebi go saba kuma na ode ayem yenu nyinem. Aya fire no kwampa so. Onsayem, onsechi, onsantem, onsakon. No. Say what the sanitizer near on someone and show we so. Say a hono fa wonsan kawani wano ohene. Sanitizer no kwan bi so anu eden kakra. So avoid touching your eyes, mouth and nose immediately after using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer as it can cause irritation. Ebiam so yankai sanitizer no. Edere Ode makaya ya kakra to cement so ana baby na pamache stum do se be so enti wode ya wonsa ho amunum ho no ano embenja so me kwanu aduane so me die me sa ho no ano akogina gas ho apagya to ahwe be show wo be hye. So do not use before handling fire or cooking. The church was sanitizer and Yankayano, a wood room. It's poisonous. It's in Fankawano. No quarantine, say, I am Shamo Frano. Because me, I many experience to pay. Bye bye, you are when you're wedding bear and females. I call me and no one in our boss sanitizer. Hey! Who gave it to you? I say, oh, it was on the ironing board. A free hot that soon. Entiyanse enonso enso. Well, anapa mama mama de na me ntwamfoni ni nkyerɛw etwa ya che. Ese a feature akwa ba be airport yi. Ye hunu sania COVID-19 situation no etia wa Ghana ha. Say ye ka say nipa wa ma hwere wo mo nkwa. COVID brain Ghana ha 276 deaths. Yami aduma mo mo ato wo mo 42,777 42777. Omo ato mo maye wo mo kofie. New cases 87 new cases, 87 new cases. Confirmed cases 44,205. 44,205. Active cases 1,152. Fire ne ye boss then yes trade ampo. Omasa ye free so. What the enkokra. Matina fe yentumi ne ntra asumdwem. Se ne malaria tie. Any cholera tear, and as an animal petrol song, clean fuel in full quantity. Madaroma, and the idea poem don't come to share the bread wall. Your first big interview met so na fe no eche no. And the bunker na poso. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Tabia herbal mixture, your true and authentic herbal mixing. Latex form your partner for life. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? At Bever Herbal Center, why are you saying you require down, man? First big interview, Nechi. And na poso the better also. I can't come to share who want to pay. Ever bet you should be so no home. Ma Yansanka WhatsApp message. Faudini baby had message in the free no faka hona fabra. 0556748029. 0556748029. 0556748029. Faudini and baby ode message in the free no faka hona fabra. And there's a better the better drag. Say I'm from free catch ya the copim. JHS 1 academic year in ya ni de e wa mo chance afia e be wuram 2021 there's on better January and on better school. Well awfo at for owners of schools. Well, some information emoji is saying. Let's get interactive. 0556784029. 0556 7488029. Yeah, but not the first big interview there, bro.
Hey, me network mafia me. I was me mobile money. Emre do say wo so hu de ekoso wo wiase fa na nyina abra wo mre ho kwa test adom echo 8787 eno no ubenya SMS news information alert any updates I fa de ekoso wo wiase fa na nyina every adom TV adom FM any adomonline.com channel song some message bia obesend bia eye 15 pesos adom FM ye 12 adom TV ye wa zo ye.
Say dear, Insure FM, Edin Yesi or Ghana, and we are here for neighbor beer, air tow or bubuano. And found it by Viao, yet in your basic beer, I'm Manu phone so. Ye hear us over testy NF, Echo 8787, ye bet to 15 pesos per udem, near Kosu beer, yet Manu phone so. See your good demonsem, a dread demonsem, and Niji demonsem, and I knew to piano, yet they brought some propra. Insure FM, a what day.
Emre do say wo so hu de ekoso wo wiase fa na nyina.
Good News FM, secondary Takrade.
Gateway FM, Dambai.
Virgin City FM, Konongo.
Arise FM, Chifupraso.
Tricky FM, Enchi.
Trust FM, Abotoase.
Alive FM,
Solar FM, Dunkwao Offeng.
Cape 93.3 FM, Cape Coast.
Atobu FM, Atebubu.
Jakpa FM, Bupe.
Asafo 99.1 FM, Elmina.
Velvet, Amenfi West.
ABC Radio, Tamale.
West FM, Elubo.
Splash FM, Asenfosu.
Live 107.5 FM, Cape Coast.
Quest FM, Brekum.
And Idaso FM, Jape Krum.
Salt FM, Agogo. Gift FM, Doma Hinkro. Moonlight Radio, Sunyai.
Luke FM, Tapa Abotoase.
Life FM, Ngoko.
Charity FM, Dwayan Kwanta.
Trinity FM, Bogoso.
Storm FM, Sunyai.
Echa FM, Nkransa.
And Cobra FM, Axim.
Asase FM, Pandai.
Rivers FM, Wase Kropong.
Oti Radio, Dambai.
Yankee FM, Sampa.
Winners FM, Ejima.
True FM, Ades. Adansie, 98.9, Asante Achim Agogo.
Des, 90.3, Asante Bekwai.
Ashojaman FM, Achimpoku.
Fresh FM, Kade Kwayebibrem.
Kiss FM, secondary Takrade.
Radio Rainbow, Seshijaboso.
Space FM, Takwa.
West Gold, Secondary Takrade.
Vision FM, Seshidebiso.
Pure FM, Takwa.
Akwaba FM, Seshibodi.
Radio Shama,
Ofi FM, Achimoda.
Aseda FM, Takrade.
Inkunim FM, Asamankase.
Fawe FM, Bisao.
Free FM, Tachimai.
High Radio, Pichim.
Yeah. Stay safe. Wash your hands at the running water for at least 20 seconds. Sanitize your hands. And please stay at home. There comes a time when we hear a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying from coronavirus. It's time to lend a helping hand. We can go on try to stay at home, 'cause we are all part of God's great big family. And it's true, the love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home, try to stay at home. There's a chance we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, and make a brighter day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home, try and stay at home, 'cause there's a chance we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, and make a brighter day, just you and me. Lord of mercy on us, sanitize your hands and wash your hands day by day. Remind someone to do the same thing too, 'cause there's a chance we make it, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we know love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home, there's a chance we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home, try and stay at home. There's a chance we're making, we're saving our own life. It's true, we make a brighter day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home and wash our hands and sanitize. There's a chance we make it, we're saving our own life. It's true, we make a brighter day, just you and me. You and me make a brighter day, save the world. Hey, oh yeah.
Emre to say what's on the echoes will be as a fan na abra wo mre ho kwa. Testy Adum Echo 8787 and no Ubenya SMS news, information alert, any updates. I fad the echoes will be as a fan na every Adum TV, Adum FM, any adumonline.com. Channel song, some message be our send be a 15 pesos. Adum FM, yeah 12. Adum TV, yeah wazo yeah.
Say dear, Insure FM, Edin Yesi or Ghana, and we are here for neighbor beer, air tow or bubuano, and phone baby hour, yet in your busy beer, I'm manual phone so. Ye hear us over testy NF, Echo 8787, ye bet to 15 pesos per udem, near Kosu beer, yet be manual phone so. See a good yamonsem, a dread yamonsem, and Niji yamonsem, and I knew to piano, yet the bro some propra. Insure FM, and what day?
Emre to say what's on the echoes will be as a fan na abra wo mre ho kwa. Testy Adum Echo 8787 and no no. Ubenya SMS news, information alert, any updates. I fad the echoes will be at your fanenina. Every Adum TV, Adum FM, any adumonline.com. Shannon son, some message be our best and be a 15 pesos. Adum FM, yeah, 12. Adum TV, yeah, what,
Say dear, Insure FM, Edin Yesi or Ghana, and we are here for neighbor beer, air tower, Bubuano, and found a baby hour in your basic beer, and manual phone so. Ye hear us over testy NF, Aqua 8787, ye bet to 15 pesos per udem, near Kwasu beer, yet manual phone so. See a good yamonsem, a dread yamonsem, and Niji yamonsem, and I knew to piano, yet they brought some procra. Insure FM, and one day.
I'm ready to say what's on the echoes will be a fan.
Good News FM, secondary Takrade.
Gateway FM, Dambai.
Virgin City FM, Konongo.
Arise FM, Chifupraso.
Tricky FM, Enchi.
Trust FM, Abotuase.
Alive FM,
Solar FM, Dunkwao, Offeng.
Cape 93.3 FM, Cape Coast.
Atobu FM, Atebubu.
Jakpa FM, Bupe.
Asafo 99.1 FM, Elmina.
Velvet, Amenfi West.
ABC Radio, Tamale.
West FM Elubo.
Splash FM, Asenfosu.
Live 107.5 FM, Cape Coast.
Quest FM, Brekum.
And Idaso FM, Jape Krum.
Salt FM, Agogo. Gift FM, Doma Hinkro. Moonlight Radio, Sunyai.
Luke FM, Tapa Abotuase.
Life FM, Ngoko.
Charity FM, Dwayan Kwanta.
Trinity FM, Bogoso.
Storm FM, Sunyai.
Echa FM, Nkransa.
And Cobra FM Axim.
Asase FM, Pandai.
Rivers FM, Wase Kropon.
Oti Radio, Dambai.
Yankee FM, Sampa.
Winners FM, Ejima.
True FM, Ades. Adansie, 98.9, Asante Achim Agogo.
Des 90.3 Asante Bekwai.
Ashojaman FM at Impoku.
Fresh FM Kade Kwaye Bibrim.
Kiss FM, secondary Takrade.
Radio Rainbow Seshidwaboso.
Space FM, Takwa.
West Gold, Secondary Takradi.
Vision FM Seshidebiso.
Pure FM, Takwa.
Akwaba FM Seshibodi.
Radio Shama,
Ofi FM Achimoda.
Aseda FM, Takrade.
Inkunim FM, Asamankase.
Fawe FM, Bisao.
Free FM, Techimai.
High Radio Bichim.
Good News FM, secondary Takrade.
Gateway FM, Dambai.
Virgin City FM, Konongo.
Arise FM, Chifupraso.
Tricky FM, Enchi.
Trust FM, Abotuase.
Alive FM,
Solar FM, Dunkwao, Offeng.
Cape 93.3 FM, Cape Coast.
Atobu FM, Atebubu.
Jakpa FM, Bupe.
Asafo 99.1 FM, Elmina.
Velvet, Amenfi West.
ABC Radio, Tamale.
West FM Elubo.
Splash FM, Asenfosu.
Live 107.5 FM, Cape Coast.
Quest FM, Brekum.
And Idaso FM, Jape Krum.
Salt FM, Agogo. Gift FM, Doma Hinkro. Moonlight Radio, Sunyai.
Luke FM, Tapa Abotuase.
Life FM, Ngoko.
Charity FM, Dwayan Kwanta.
Trinity FM, Bogoso.
Storm FM, Sunyai.
Echa FM, Nkransa.
And Cobra FM Axim.
Asase FM, Pandai.
6.3.
Only God can stop us now. 6.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3.
Only God can stop us now. 6.3 FM.
Baby. mama feni na nyebe ani de fiche wa befio mami kwa da mi asio aye ora yesu na wasio aye ora yesu na wasio yewa ye mi mo ni ami fense wa nembo na wasio yagme mi wasamiko sana mi wadanse bidiwa isi ami bia kebeche mukono abonsam di mi ye ni nyuma bebre nesu ni nyina chino onyebia wa mumiasio ene wasisa mi dina mamia mami goda mi nyamiasio mami goda mi nyamiasio sana mi wadanse bidiwa isi ami bia kebeche mukono na kali chama mi bibi de nesu ni pa familia chino onyebia wa mumiasio ene wasisa mi dina mamia mami goda mi nyamiasio mami goda mi nyamiasio ayono na wa mambo ni na wonto wa mamoni bienye die wa mami feni na nyebio wa mabubu fa sori na ntiwai mami goda mi nyamiasio aye ora yesu na wasio aye ora yesu na wasio wa yemi mo nyame fashe wa nego na wasio
Simon, you know, Pepe, and on Swambo, Atomano 6.3 FM, just on some live. Brother Philip, oh, Mini, what's our baby call?
See me, Bibia, me did I was you. Bibia, me did I was you. I can't be you to you. Then me now, you are, yeah. What for see me, Bibia, me did I was.
Sikano open what me di ashe adwuma mu UMB controller loan near Mousa Kwenya no ama what me enya 150,000 Ghana cedis in less than 48 hours na afei ufie no what me di de hudwuma o master's degree program na person pursue no and also so what me di ache oka no aye dada no so betimi asesa eti se we ya ban dwuma yeni a asemde call them out yeah, man, 48 months. Usumi mako be aduana nwotwe na fe wo de twetwa nkakra kra. We mu ade pa. Enti bowra UMB bank bia mu we ya ban dwuma yeni. Se o account wo ho se woni account wo ho e no fa ho. Na eni wa mu kwa twetwe nkomo. Ojidi se bebu aw pa. Say open komo imu nchiremu bia na wasembisa bia je number na frɛ wo 0302633988 0302633988 and toll free 0800-100-880 0800-100-880 azana betwa na makɔ okra no betwa sɛ no wo WhatsApp ɛwɔ number is 0266 020-400 0266 020-400 now no what me adin kita ho e WhatsApp channel se nche kakra e wo ho UMB ene dia se me dey dey bre wo aduane aye die e dey aboy ni pedua no ho ban ama ye immune system no anya ho den mama boni die nya bie mama ni feni ne iron ya dia nipedua ni hia pa ebie mu nso so vitamin C so nipedua ni hia na sabre kwa ya COVID-19 ete ho akohia se your immune system betwe nya ahoden no vitamin C no ho hia enti omode send ya baby to say kutuo abrobe mango any diabetes status ano and the nurse were didiem and my friend on 24 ebwapa ma etimia boost your immune system. Live strong with iron. Aduane de no ne iron inuane ya no musio na ya no musio na Voltic Cooper. Purified quality drinking water in a sachet. Way Voltic Ghana Limited. Yani mini free eti no musio asa ba no musio bia. Voltic Cooper. Woso numbi. Woso numbi. Run a bantam. Our Vodafone so. Way too much. Say one ya. Send Nisika na woman Nisika free Vodafone cash so they are network bi aso a free. Yen charge you sika bia send networks in Kaye. Mami God me no send 100 ya. Me tell one. I don't know send 200 2 cities. Vodafone dey free. And because na manisika fa Vodafone cash so. Dial star 110 hash. Now also enjoy 0 charges on Vodafone Cash to all networks. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? If you job a tramwa the copy September, Busumi Ebe need that also watching. National Identification Authority, Emma Wakwenya. Na say Untimi register for Ghana card no a Untimi to Sana Mono petition so from 24th of August to the 8th of September we are Ghana ni na Wakwenya Mausa Kwenya no Chane so say unya Ghana ni amesrew men try Ebiem so say undi infie dunmu a eno so men try Yes you say ubenya birth certificate passport and valid certificate of acquired citizenship I know one any problem bia say wonni anu bia usafo mienu a womo ekura womo Ghana card da womo register I'm bet me a ejinemu ama I'm bet me a guarantee edi ama na was said to me aka Ghana card no Emo shewe so mame no many or rapam that is which come kind. Say Uben here with digital address code. Uben here with digital address code. Internal social and so. Now fe share NIA official so no any. One more cast and then Potamu Eboderu. Ghana card connectivity access and progress for all. The president at the update number 16 at the Ebre or mine Ghana for COVID Brano watani Ghana for to train come on and pay and some of the two that titrinia a far addition school so I baby near and who so pay about to move commotion and so first big interview at the brown and watch your near the Naposuna Dura Plus Tabia Herbal Mixture Latex Foam Vodafone and after Agbe Herbal Center you require Darma and Naposuna so Ebebreo Penny and Kasa Yemu, what did you bra from 2 for one beko school any and somewhere kaho yenti niamra.
Assemblies and sporting events remain banned, and the use by outsiders of school premises for other activities is still not allowed. We will continue to. The decision has been taken by the Ghana Education Service after consultation with the relevant stakeholders for SHS2 and JHS2 students to return to school from 5th October to 14th December 2020 to complete their academic year. With junior high schools operating with class sizes of 30 and senior high schools with class sizes of 25, SHS2 and JHS2 students will be in school for 10 weeks to study and write their end-of-term examinations. SHS2 students in boarding houses are to return to their various dormitories on 5th October, whilst day students, respecting fully the COVID-19 protocols, will commute from home to their respective schools on the same date. Prior to reopening, all junior and senior high schools will be fumigated and disinfected, just as was done in the case of final year university, JHS and HHS students. All JHS2 and SHS2 students, as well as all teaching and non-teaching staff, will be given reusable face masks. JHS2 students will be given 1 hot meal a day.
Amampani na nado da kwa kufado enra ne nkasa yim na odi sanse me atudwa efa yema ese wo mo eco school but anapa ma mention ko matwetwe no ase na meni ora eno kwasi jetua oye executive director Ghana National Council of Private Schools meni no entwetwe enkomo ora jetua teminka
mini ameti wonka pa ma chen
ya doe awade wo ho de
ayu abrabom nyame boa ebranda ya na yese yesi bosumin kroni mo nokre ja yese bia nyankopon de bita afin
fantastic me pe ugidie no papa but ansana enro mampani ba be kasa that one issue of concern in fact me personally menya reports be every private school managers ni teachers ho asu ni awomo FM and say schools ya tutumu mofrano womo enco school please Mr. President open the school for us, we private school teachers we are suffering and no man penny akasa but when be schools no especially private schools etimo saying rajitia
amini maminchia woni watie for na no penyina no man penyi akasa na min kasa yi mu no yani jise wabie borders no na JHS school na wabie ni de minya ende yentiase esan se emfa bi papa bi ama because yen curriculum no e be continuous curriculum the abofra ni suan ye no eno an wo beto aso ana hwe academic calendar na e wo ho a JHS 2 for no de no enye different from JHS 1 4 and enye different from class 6 4 there and enye different from upper primary class 4 and class 5 it is a will be JHS 2 there na think 4 5 6 no any one no obi ka ho preko
I see it.
There's nothing let's say reasonably affecting that JHS 2 4 DM. Now JHS 1 DM. If it is about infrastructure deficits, I am of Ranoco school Munya baby now. So then I can say 25, 30 supposed to be in their class now. It's just a matter of a shift system. But
private schools more prepared for a shift system. For instance, from KG Krecha they call JHS 1 and not your run a shifter. I mean the challenges are likely moving to me FAC. Roger.
What I'm trying to say is the government should have come out there. Infrastructure deficit. They were on my Ghana. And because of that, while school in Kurano, classroom ebro nipa bienunum anase ebiasan ube divide class into two. Private schools no okoma the highest number of classroom anase ubenyano ebia 35. And in so more to say you bit my running the mainstream no. Government never have. And as okay JHS Diana will be na. JHS curriculum no. It's taking the route from class 4. What do you mean?
Yes.
It's taking the route from class 4. Not class 5, class 6. JHS 1, JHS 2. From 3, 4, they are not almost spend two terms and period because I can't performance of it. It is all kinds of JHS for non coach common so here. And so I no more coach. End of term exam.
Etinaka and Kamadrim Nunka will be a pan or so while Junipan will be a and could be a free bear class 4. Okay.
This year, as I say, a class 4 because there's only one economical aspect. Teacher for Anna, a lecture idea, JHS 2 for an idea. Meanwhile, for no much next year for the meantime, I ain't mean to our Eka. And it is a teacher for me next year for this number of period, now some more. Sabere is met you any pan cronka. I'll be a classroom, no, you're 35. School first is also one a bit in idea.
Yes.
And the move out with 10 weeks. That 10 weeks, a new one full at one academic term. Say, be a first and a second term. It is a cold beer. Now I'm a pressure now, because I know Cassandra stimulus package or cancer of the MBS support if you can't some better the mind.
And come baby so.
How much is one and no more quite rich?
I see.
What is it? And she can't buy what I say. Over so the private school. Nankasa will never be treated for one car. Never be saw a teacher for no asking. Any a Jumana and asking. MBS are 40 she can also say, yeah, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million. Ediama, Jomo for money at the other. Now, Yena, Juma, a boy from February and after March, I bet him. Yenya, a cool yasin for. They go kind of work.
Okay. Already, young academic calendar, no any pressure at the bebre more managers of schools. Say near Yayanino in a way. Yan Changunafe, Yan Shassia 2021. Challenge is been at the bebremo.
Yes, say. I buy one more consultation, DS for consultation, or more. Yeah, can be a cancer, say. If you always continue and dwell on the state agencies, you say, Oman need a lot of discussion. You will not get good aspect of it. 17 or 18 weeks. Nanka 2019, 2020
academic year. Nanka IND. Yes.
IND.
Yes.
Anna, you proposal, you say, you be a school. You be a school now. You longer term. Na yem fasa term na Africa na say week na kai no emeguso na nke yentimi nko yeni ana say yem be school ni na at this point in time every month we are yem face every October ni be JHS face no November na be another low upper primary na kan ho December, near the inquiry now, the can study the trend of the disease. Say the best runner say much. Say the control the pay. Next academic year, and now starting 2021, 2020, let's say 2021 academic year from January to December. It is yani alizami I want say this is the academic year be starting September. It is not compulsory. This is what I say. And you say you bet me your time there is not that you know I'm friend there is almost bia na etimi aboa but some you go be a JHS 2 for nkwan again what are they going to learn, what impact are they going to have? If you don't understand it, you don't know the people who even advise the president to take this decision.
I get this feeling, say, as during consultation, Monshadan play active role. I get that feeling from Okasayimu.
the private schools in just imagine we have over 22,000 private schools in the country. Minister say nipa ba ko penemra. Now o ma tell latest dia brain say 20th of September and already report to the heading ebeko. Enu nti no say we input ni bibia na yen camera. Ya ye blueprint e dia akwa committee no. What the mission? Yeah, be a committee now. Yes, also here because you know see a committee, so it is not accepted. But the committee report is even immature. The committee last week or last week, and now when the committee never in a report. What kind of consultation am I here? Answer, you have to abba. You will be say, on a minister, or one is there, Ghana and Ghana, Bibian, Nifia Pronomu, and Kisa. Because they say that private schools are also could be a second term, or you could be a form 2 for inquiring. How are they going to sustain them? How are they going to pay the teachers? The least number of teachers a bit much charge or 9. What's the mission now? How are they going to pay them? Stimulus package are by what we come MBS have what is so on scan of 1% of the money. Oh, can yes, yes, equal muna. But what state are we in it?
You are being too emotional, but in what's going to be your next line of action? Demonstration or something?
Demonstration is possible.
I see.
Demonstration is possible. We will pass through all the right channels. Everyone has a actual petitioner, they petition government, but we don't want to sign alone. So all the private school teachers, parents, proprietors, whatever, will sign, and then we petition the government and give ultimatums. Then, if we don't hear anything, then we hit on the street. Because we are so being relegated to the point that I say, oh man, the tax is here and quite buying home.
Right, I know as an here for now.
Yeah, that's.
I mean, I see. Enoch Kwesi Jetuya is the executive director, Ghana National Council of Private Schools. For thoughts, what drink Chebrem is 0556748029. Na impono, Maminja drink Chensu and Fiao Au for 0302216561. 0302216562. 0302216561. 0302216562. It's all saying. I mean, already, and now do I'm from my baby will fear and a moo pressure. Yeah, Jumani and Shamo Frey will fear. One my dear moo, musica sem near dear. Now, face is Yabetoja, Sir January of Friday 2021. And I'm a frano and can free motor for Africa. They call JHS1. On Betrefi. Kopem January 2021. It was saying 0302216561 0302216562. Peggy Amadonko, good morning to you. Well, Puma Drinks ni binanum. Puma Drinks say what here? If we Casapego Company Limited. Wamadaroma. And a womode sa anode doko ahodi wom vitamin C ayi mu say to na guma hudo bebre enti se woto pono be se oja ho na wom kai apuntuo no a wom baaye no a Puma Drinks yewo apple yewo cola yewo tamarind yewo apple banana yewo orange tropical a best of energy malt cranberry and a fake pineapple and so honey one for pack ni nyina no ubenya no retail wholesale on 13 Ghana cedis and a fair retail on 15 Ghana cedis na say okotu ton and fa so no eye bebre okotu ton and fa so no eye bebre and to phone 0262 351251. Remember, it's another quality product from Casapero Company Limited. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, CJ.
Natawani.
From Gilbert Watson, Edgar, make a free cafe.
Okay, Gilbert, my NTU.
Many of you, Wadaroma, the medical can say, Mathieu Papa no Becca. The truth of the matter is, I know I miss meet you, Mampenino. Man support the decision, sir. Something GHS 1 for no, and any SHS 1 for no, and next year till January. If it's a one. So we be a year JHS2 yeah. Let me name the reason why I say SHS1. I'm no crying penny for China JHS2 for no endless year. And also infrastructure deficit yeah come one from now. Schools need now at least most of them are minimum. Ebe to me I sad now. I'm better change kwara now for teachers now. Say almost one. Many propose say what's the national service for? Or movie this year, baby na enye edumanye nti betumi ato mo aguso no mato aso atra de no copy say January ebeba na man na obekasa de for me well to me ankonye so because wono no edwin your personal interest schools na wo mu mie ya sabi a teacher for business in a private school for o music asem so ebia o mo san kan ya na say o mo nkwara no man o be school fees no I don't know all be ho at the expense of ya we no so no so ho nti am say asem no ne ka near Penny because I read no.
Okay, me bisa okay, masam bisa no. Say enei o man penny bie school e ka be prema oba akọ school. Eno so ka sem bisa no ho. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mbato mani.
Collins ni Rukum.
Collins. Hello, Collins.
Hello.
Yeah, yentiu.
Me pacho me bomba den aka say decision aban take no. Enye aban kwa na tena se na o take that decision no. Various stakeholders and o matena se and o mo hu se we na ebeboa e wo say ya dwen nipa na ye wo mu ho ene nkwala na ho because it is see ya kasi ye jo mu nyina mo akọ na say ya we na ye kase affect ye future leaders na ye kan say na ebeboa and aban stakeholders no atena se and o mo take.
All right. Medase, we are live in Nsoko, Tyne FM, Sunye High Radio, Wabechem, Charity 99.9 FM, Ewo Dian Kwanta, Good News FM, Watakra, Division FM, Ewo Seshi Debiso, Align FM, Woyeji, Asasi FM, Wakpandai, ABC Radio, Watamale, Echa FM, Wankranza, Radio Rainbow, Ewo Seshi Gaboso, Ofi FM, Ewa Chimoda, Free FM, Ewo Techiman. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, CJ.
Yes, I'm Batawani.
Respecting it. Asama Libano Zone 5.
Respecting you.
CJ, who bought my panya mention?
Medase.
CJ, they will now poyanum. Naba. Then a coach of Baira Mama and Bankasi. And a pay, Papa and Nicasa made no yapan. Who should I say now your come? CJ, on my penny or son will be back at you. Dear Cosono, thank you. Oh, we are not in normal time. Oh, it is what they say. They banana who say they say no, they banana and 1 minor. Now, for now, point take his decision. Or 1 point for no more grants out. They say double to get. It's a me but 10 million point for no more to my see. That's it.
Well, Mr. That's it. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Batawani.
Kwame, you're calling from Ugan.
Kwame Bubi Ashienti you.
It's now Modia Tuono. And say Papa na mo interview no. It's like this is days upon the block is in our schools no especially in every sector. But this is a situation whereby as a parent, I'm also looking at the risk factors involved. DJ, look at the scenario. Even under normal circumstances, Ubabeko school, Kobeko Crown, Patwa Pra. Teacher Beka also on the offer for pride. So the question is, can we really entrust our children in the care of this system, looking at the situation that we find ourselves in presently? You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So in as much as it's very difficult for we parents managing the children at home, I think we should look at the issue at a broader perspective. That is to say, we should allow the government to continue with the phased opening. So that at the end of the day, if 2021, we are all certain that the children are safe to go to school. I mean, I don't think any parents will object to that.
Okay, but what can I say? You're a parent, oh?
I'm a parent. If my children around me right now, there are 5 children.
Okay. And they say, "Oh, my penny, ABS school, can you have my money?
I'll be their teacher until then and protect their lives. That's the most important thing to me.
Thank you very much. 0302216561, 0302216562. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Baton Wayne.
Bajafem Douglas.
Douglas Kasafri.
Enuma Papam.
Enuma Papam, Yentio Douglas.
Yo, Madam Montpellier, and Raka Casa, Kasi Vapa, and I'm your Montpellier again, share when you school. In fact, answer Montpellier Casa or kind, also a consultation oni nipa bebre share stick the share and so take the teaching we take the enra one very useful no let's say private school teacher for ni school for let's say ma fa personal interest emma yare abaga yi say na political type we are not in the normal types no hema yare emeti atesi emu ye maso yes sir me no ka say enena ko mampani edi school akabe baka mani ko school yare ne nko yo ese eti asese yare ne nko yare ne wo hodom no mampani say or the data senior science no say no data ne che no eno so oja edi taking decision eti say original data senior COVID-19 case ni ko na akutu a take the say tu no no say take decision say in this school general many yadin and in terms of ba ko kan say so he academic calendar na lockdown by our second term middle of the second term Sata na first term first term no it first term na ye no say in school September ya bi ni say saba be repeat first term no it's so be school next year general na ye second term no and ye start na ya po second term so akota term ne promotion kola no enye tinta che say ye term kola na di promotion ko yo country ma and na 4 years 3 years e baaye ma school no 1 year e be da hot ma ye nya amount for anko secondary school anko university it is afie say ya promoting kwala no na say 1 year be da hot ma kwala no enya kwa anko e fa hwe ma
me da say sanena ma pani bi school no a e ka be ma kwan ma o ma no o ma ko school e asembisa titi hello good morning
me da fo
mba to wani
na ma written
ma
yes
mba to ka se friend okay ma yentio
let say awofo yen so na ma da him say o ma pani bi kan ka yen ma go school ye were reference for China ye can obi an ko papa ka say on ko fa e man ko any ma also one ko fa o man fit na no obi an wa ti ma America fo o mo ko fo ko fu ni e papa o di ni no wo ye vision man e private for no sika si ya no wo mi ji wo ko ni no o mo mi anyu ye ho na ye si ya me man ko na ti kra ya me man abrocha mo di mo to so o kwa ye sile bu na mo to private for no abrocha ko mo ko o mo ye prepare sika kasi yenti president ya da watch ya me man ko share me bo university to come na
me na say ya de besi ha fa adwenkyerɛ nkae no fa brɛ me wɔ WhatsApp na yɛngye brɛ ne yɛnkenkan 0556748029 0556748029 na yɛngye brɛ na yɛnkenkan ɛmfa ma wo obi nim bi akwakwa dukumi atranse saa so na ɔhema asachiwa ahwene pa akrofi kama ɔno nso atranse abusanfo mama kwaba
ya obi ade atwede down
ade ba ko enne mehu me college no ho in fact me bo me college no aba so ankoya amanyosem ankoye bibia tisa
na issues no so ase omoti issues na see etinchemu no utu se emudo se ya na nke pe no nkade bia asem ne beto ho a yamfa PP NDC PPP wan sem ne ntonchen ne yanka asem no fe kofi kwa asem ebebo wo manga na ne yanku yenim won se ya na ye pe no moya de
ana se be ma politics kakra ba ma yenye de se ma marita di is just na ya come
I'm a story di wo Ghanaian Times muna eno na mpese me koso sense me document me enu egumanim ha na me pese yenya background ni yie every Ghanaian Times story no good news for clients of defunct fund management companies. Government set to roll out bailout package next month. Wahima, what's saying?
Brata mate. Na mamin kabi. Media kan ho free the Bokrata Ghanaian Times se feto so edumi ensanye. Reverend Daniel Ogba Metete DG Sec na oda ha wosiri ni simu jire. Na wose Ghana ban free September wachina yewo muso no. What the bailout package banata sense ya what the babema enkrofo ho ahan wo mo. Was a client and asamo amudi musika hokoto. Enuma ko bi a woji sika edi kwadi dwa na mfaso ba wo mo ni mo ache. ye wo sika krabia wo ho de wo di sika akoto na ye wo de ode koma na so wonfa nkonkodi dwa eye fund management companies e trinity aka na say FMCs no na was Securities and Exchange Commission SEC for na this asemi ababetu dwa na was package na wode ba na ebe kwan bi so say social interventions ana say kwan a ye fa so de boa emobrofo ebi ene say was said ye de ma wone a na wo musical special deposit taking institutions SDIs na fe microfinance companies ni mu na wose wo mo achichem first phase no clients na some one with musika kwa say institutions and as companies na makomako adronu mienu 22 companies yes CA official liquidation court eden hihye aba ya wo mo eye ho adwuma no mo na ebeka mo afei wo say liquidator eguso so ye hihye na mo amho kan ye no every September bosumi mu no wo ma hyase atua na was second phase no so be hwe client a say yi makomako adronu miensa na ebe kan yi adronu mienu enti mo amobeka achire no mo nso so ye de makwa kwahye second phase ni mu a ye betua musika na eno ose hye ne nso say mo amode musika kokosie ye e wo sa nwumako makomako nan a mebebobodin mo nka ho wose ba ko Black Shield Capital Management Limited. The Ataso a First Bank Financial Services Limited, Epes Capital Partners, and I Ideal Capital Partners Limited. Mosa mudi musika ekoma sa nyumako 9 no monka ho esan say sa nyumako 9 no ejina court wa wo mo twe apo esan sa court eni asem no mu ayenti no ye de mo ejina nchen na osise siya yi sekese ne saka nipa e wo se etu omoka empem aduokron woche ahanwoche aduonu 98,820 claims ya wo bu hu nkonta 10.83 billion na cheso pepepem du apepepe hu ha o billion du achipa nwotwe miensa na wose enu ye 47 FMCs ya wo mo license na ye revoke ya na se ye twa tumi a wode ye adwuma no mu wo mo ho asem na wo mo kan commission no eso e de secretary no bi say enwumako no makomako aduanan enwumako aduonu miensa ye kan aduanan na wo mo ensa kwakoka wo mo nkrata sa no wo mo hyehyɛ ya na wo mo de ye adwuma no nyina
that's 40 companies
and I was say Black Shield Management Company Limited can any a friend Gold Coast Fund Management Limited wo mo de wo mo aka mo to adwum se buru wo mo bibia ni hono mu a won ye ehhehwe ensenu mu sec ensatimi aka na se watimi ehunu mu na so mo de enkrompo de ye nwo mu sokora commission ne say wawie validation e wo wone a wo mo ama wo mo ho kwan 40 companies no wawie wo mo validation no wo mo hwehwe nyina ye anu nti wa validate nipa be se empem adu wo twemienu ahanu ene 82,204 claims ye anu wo kabomu a 4.65 billion ye opepepe hu ha enan chiponsienum ya o say Black Shield Management Limited de no afei ena omuguso a wo mo ebubom enti wenum ne uka asem ni nyina bomu a asem papa a wo pese wo de tu yanim eni
okay mame nkwa homa no so na me ni ora Charles nyame oye PRO edema 53 collapsed fund management companies mene no entwetwen komo ora nyame otemenka
mi ya me tun kan na no pe
awode wo ho
Yankopon Adam Yuguso.
Well, me did say and somewhere Ghanaian Times betu Ghana pay and amini aba no ebrebre so no ni nyina na enamwasum.
E ba so an ye ne kra no a Species and Election Commission for we that press release no send my yankasa privately, so we have the official document. I go through in some many other things na
okay, but going through the official document, you know, Commission say womunya partial access to records of some of these FMCs as a group muhusa issue because ngofosika na kwakokemu Charles
we have asked a relevant question we bisa aseme here wasemi dem and we bisa no minia e ma so say say you follow in the sequentially in the one this war. Securities and Exchange Commission, Mr. Say, and throw an Securities and Exchange Commission AD. Now, in the month of June 2020, Yannick leadership of the Securities and Exchange Commission, Reverend Udamite Nankasa, Eton Safrayin. As our meeting, and I'm Dimu Akotene, and the initiai, I am head of Securities and Exchange Commission. Eton Safrayin, they are not all in say he was briefing us how far they have come after the revocation of the claims, revocation of the license of the companies, and validation, filing of claims, no validation issues. I follow. We haven't about me that my say after then June, no now claims are you're filing now for these companies. 90,000 claims. The Securities and Exchange Commission have been able to validate 50% of the 90,000. If I just follow me, figures me you. Me too, pa. 50% of the 90,000. Good. If that is the truth, 50% of 90,000 is supposed to be 45,000. Am I correct?
Yes.
45,000.
Yes.
Fine. And so, the Deputy Director General of SEC, or you're in charge of legal, or your bar, that same June, after a meeting, was hosted on Kokoko Morning Show by Kwame Shefakai. He repeated these figures. We have the videos here. We want to play it. She repeated these figures. Reverend Obamtete was hosted by Bernard Avle. She repeated these figures that after June, they have validated 50% of the 90,000 claims, which is 45,000. Good. And Yaba Bedu August. Even there were questions of why the slow, because the final claims ended. The real final claims on 15th of January. And also because of the COVID-19, it slowed down our activity. And they are working faster. In a few weeks' time, they will complete the validation. Good. You do August, that's 2 months down the line. What can I say? You have validated 45,000 of the 90,000 claims. But since you show a press conference and Kunta Omudua, they have validated less than 16,000 claims. Yes, I make us answer one. In our press conference, I'm releasing Friday, Reverend Obamtete team said all the claims after 26th of August 2020.
98,820. Yes, 98,820. Valued at 10.83 billion Ghana cedis.
I have all these figures. Yes, 10 point. And about the country, and say out of these figures, Gold Coast Fund Management, I say your friend Black Shield,
yes,
among customers, 82,204. So we share the percentage of 82,204 out of 98,820. It is 82.3% of the total claims filed.
Yes, yes.
82.3%. Not just 16.7%. Okay, for the remaining 46 companies, I say them. We bought post 46 companies. Good. And as far 16.2%, I represented just 16,616 claims. Okay, and he's telling us, Gold Coast customers, they have had access to only 3% of their document, and 3% of 82,204 is less than 2,500. And it's also catching and say, June validation 45,000. About the do August he has done less than 20,000 validation, which is blank. I the approach you mentioned I am trying to Omudi is fine. Omudi say Gold Coast customers and they do so. And right now I think they have no means to pay all the money. So they are hiding behind some of these excuses that they are giving. Say Gold Coast Fund Management and producing the data over here, but in the year 2019, before the revocation of the licenses, please, are you listening to me?
Me too, pa.
Before the revocation of this license, Securities and Exchange Commission and contracted a year PricewaterhouseCoopers, only a forensic July and August 2019. Around the month of July and August, conducted forensic audit. And during this forensic audit, all the books, all the data of customers of Gold Coast Fund Management were given to PricewaterhouseCoopers upon the instruction of Securities and Exchange Commission.
I mean, as in like that document because
that document, that was the reason why. So upon what grounds, Securities and Exchange Commission, every license, It was as a result of this forensic audit conducted by Securities and Exchange Commission through PricewaterhouseCoopers.
Okay, so according to Securities and Exchange Commission, one more say Black Shield and Gold Coast Fund Management, one more petitioner court. It's another basis for their exclusion from this exercise. And that's what you're saying.
These are all unnecessary excuses that they are giving to just sideline us. Yes, I said it is unnecessary excuses. Also, even in court, sometimes if there is a precedence of similar cases that have been held at our judicial system, you can make reference to those precedents. In the case of the revocation of the companies and the Bank of Ghana, Yawaha, revoking some companies in land, Unibank, Dr. Pablo Foye owner, and the Assembly Court says only the Assembly decided here, challenging the revocation of Unibank licenses. Unicredit, our court says they are challenging the revocation of the company's license. GN Savings and Loans Dr. Papa presented to one of the companies. Our court says they are challenging the revocation license. But government bailout there was nothing like say because these companies are in court in some ways, we can't pay the customers. The Bank of Ghana just went ahead paying the customers out of the company, out of the government bailout package. So what excuse is Securities and Exchange Commission? Similar situation. The Gold Coast Fund Management, our quarter, and until we can't be settled by the government package. And the Securities and Exchange Commission is contradicting itself on this grounds. This will make us understand. Almost 30 presidents said the reason for the government bailout package, they spoke to the government, said they knew, said the proceedings at court that will lead to the liquidation of the assets of the companies may prolong. That is their way. So in their may prolong. Otherwise, the plight of the customers. Therefore, there is a need for the government to bail out the customers with a package. So if this is the background for the government to release this bailout package how then do you go back to contradict yourself, say Gold Coast more court and it's establishes court cases may prolong, so there is a need for bailout packages. But what are they trying to say? Do they think seven pregnant you need so as a journalist, search for yourself, you have the document in front of you. Yes. Is it not a great contradiction from their side?
Okay, and as we speak, per release a free second, Mami reading this portion. The 6 companies that we do not have access to their records are First Bank Financial Service, Creeper Capital, EM Capital, Omega Capital, Nickel, Kingsbury, and Heritage Securities. Validation of claims of First Bank Financial Service Limited is yet to commence because of their initial failure to cooperate with SEC and the filing of an application for an injunction pending appeal at the High Court. Claims filed against First Bank Financial Service Limited was 423, valued at 800 million Ghana cedis. We are in the process of resolving the issues to get full access to the records of the remaining 5 firms. And it goes on and on and on and on. It does say, audit, no, it's as simple as that. Ananwa, Charles.
Yes, That's the establishment that we are making.
Yes.
So document on the a forensic audit.
Audit, no, yes.
It's the same document that you need. So you can use it. And sure, everyone can say, company I'm contradict your mom here forensic audit. No, I contradict your mom. Yet that validation. That's PricewaterhouseCoopers. So they have the document already.
Charles, I mean, no, in FNC here, at least for now. Why? Why? But way a press release and any free GN Group Indum Honum by Besa Mekai 30th August 2020. Receivables are for customers, not Dr. Indum, not against payment to customers. And only it's here, that's what. Mamenkai, I say for the avoidance of doubt, and in case anyone has missed this, Group Indum wishes to emphasize this important point. For over 3 years, Dr. Papa Kwesi Indum has been pleading for the payment of receivables due to contractors for projects his companies financed for the Road Fund, Get Fund, Cocoa Board, Ministry of Roads and Highways, and others, and private sector companies. The receivables amount to well over 3.5 billion Ghana cedis. These funds do not belong to Dr. Papa Kwesi Indum. So anyone who ignores or deliberately refuses to cooperate with us to retrieve those monies denies the customers access to their investment. In addition, those who ignore our receivables and rather choose to attack us personally miss the point, or perhaps only seek to inflict damage or take punitive action deliberately. Dr. Indum wishes it to be known that in case any government agency does not want to pay the receivables through the Group Indum companies, Dr. Indum will agree to have his managers sit down with them and work out how customers can be paid directly. What's important is that the customers get their investments back. Signed, GN Corporate Affairs. Yeah.
We no wase said the ebeya will be an ajumia kesene no obesani mu na ye de wodi free Group Indum ho edema semtro for wase wajuma kesene ne amasem we ensani mu say Group Indum epese obia eti asese wodi free besem fiemi ensanie na atwea pacho ese wone a wo mu sika abedi ne ho no anka ye ntua wo mu ka tichu ene wone a wo mu ebne no babayi call apam ese ye kwakoye contract na ye wi a twa nipa somasi anaso obenten ka na wase a free Group Indum ho ena omutua ka no wase nko wa pacho saben fie miensani se ntua omuka na ensusu otwe ahoma na ma na bibi kuram e wosoro wase sa nipa o ka se nke ntua omuka bi a Road Fund anase sika ye di tua akwan ye afe Get Fund sika Cocoa Board, Ministry of Roads and Highways ene nkeka ho ena afe ankrankran nyuma bi nsusu a na wose etu omoka wose sika na nka wo hwe kwan se ye di betu aka no na nka beso be se 3.5 billion opepepe hu ha miensa achiri num na wose sika no enye Indum die otum sa sika na waka ho asem no eye wone a wo mo ne no edi sa wo so sika sem kunta ho ena sa sika no na ye de ma wo mo ne sa so nti se obi ene na anti enyanti ase se obetua enye Indum na obo na boro ne moma ye nipa bi ananwuma ko bi a na woni Group Indum edidwa ena wo bo wo maboro afa biew wose wode ka ho se ebu ya ni guso ese nipa bi empese obetua onfa ne se woni ankrankran na eye ne mom eye nipa dodo bi ena wahye dade asotwen ema wo mo abra enya oni wo mpo ena enya Group Indum say wapese wo bia te ase se oni Ghana ban enyumakuo eni nyumakuo nkrabata e wase wo mo ni wo mo ye adwuma nyina no woni wo mo ye adwuma se de be ya ye betimi atu wo mo ka a katua no be free Group Indum companies wonom Dr. Indum ena dis asem yi ato Ghana fo eni se obi ni Group Indum ye adwuma na ye ntu aka wa preso sabadan kan fie minsi ene sika ne mai nti enya na from so
okay
na offer say nyina ye parents amenya last caller eja pass what private school what teachers na free match wo mu nko school na betua o mo ka besi sabiro obi anu ho betimi
na o mu tua mo ka de
me so obi entina me de so obi anu ho betumi na sa wo se onkoji loan why a soft loan na mana kwa bia so obetua be kwa kofa sika no wo hin enti kwa bi so no wo hwe owefo nsa na yesi ehwe ne benkum ni nifa edin so ombeye sa na ye ka ne sa so no packages na ban ye no anka onye bi fama private school no private teachers
and na okay ka say still no MBSSI for to musika so mo release em fam but kwaku me wasima mi no ma me famra ho na fi mrantie no womo
o my crowd won
omo gina me konso
nene ma me fa Daily Graphic
sorry
they 2 minutes na Daily Graphic was a president with the small baba to dwane emse ne nya ya brobro so ma ne kona nimu kama na ejapa deal no ene ne ho small baba finance minister with the small kwako to dwa was deal no bibia ya abandia bibia ya mind ya mo bi nkojina ba bi nkoka se na asumasi no wobenten na we wo se wom na we wo se wom wo se dwumaku a yate ejapa so o monko na wo mema dodode fanwa ye friendsen sikadwete sikabna no honkro ne ba ye fankoje besia no wo se ni nyina ya mind ya iti na Daily Graphic wo de wonsem aba na Chronicle de obokra tan so na ewa ha yi yesi papa bi emre bi atwam no esrani ne buofu pa se asasrafo e de omo ya amanyosem ni nyina afa dome fase ensensem ekoso no se wo munyi asrafo nyina nchen kra mo mfo mo nya amanyosem na ja asrafo wo muni wo mun kwinti na ja ensem bi ka we ho ne eba mo
kwaku krono ye friend fase
na
je se nsuachi
fase nke ya se ebia fa
ya me de pasa na nya me kwa na esi bebo me
ade
wa beka ho so me no mi eri baba boy
e dome
fase
we are child 11 o'clock na the
obi mi yakwa du kumi ni ohima ahwenepa akrufi and omede de bankata na poso de be hwasra ne de Madura Plus goes water flows Tabia herbal mixture so your true and authentic herbal medicine. Latex foam was your partner for life, and our Vodafone also the future is exciting. Ready Agbeve Herbal Center Wayaresa Efie Edward Bamford Dako or say how many people are ruling in this country? If the minds of the private persons are asked, doesn't mean that they are final. Then how is the country governed? On the money in our Facebook. No. Okran Abeka Emmanuel CJ, please know that it's not only the private school teachers alone who are in the house. There are a lot of other workers in the house, so they should allow the government. No. Alex Kobina Stone
Pakua Maka Ensroja Edura
and you know
more fire.
Shishi no ya Eric Asiadu Bwedi
Ziam.
And I definitely shoot in a nyezo. Eric, more fire. I
will say, I'm watching Sabre de Agudi Monsem and a day air trasso amount Adum Sports page 1 and Yabuani Nawahu and Komaudua and also Echogomidi at the Cobistone or Command Crab Pakua Maka and Suroja Adura and New Anopai Mene
Kejuan Kasa Eric Asiedu Bwedi
me yɛmfa share mfama MTN wɔn de ma MTN application napa makacho se download na fa gu phone so afi amponse fa de pa FPack blows your pain away na watwe wie ye ebia na eye bia ukoye wadi bia ukoye opan no unsampa redia no ayemre uhia FPack no na eba bedu akaginem na fe bia tablet no me so kona kope bi wo yade na ho etowa edroba ko betimi apoa enso eno no betway.com.gh wana catch you say community shared no na amount for any sika ewom dodo na ediska enya dia eda form kra
yeah live on Facebook ya tom 106.3 abusuantwen na yaso yentwen oni nyina ntwen patron like na fence wa share na wa comment na kama na kenkan no pay e de ama community share astan for je we ene Sunday brenana no pay aboabo no de process sports page 1 e wa tom 106.3 FM ye ba sisi ane ato so channel so mami senne na metema kumasa sante kotoko at the 85 good years yeah 85 years yeah bana yeah they change some of bro ochina congress
stay safe
Wash your hands at the running water for at least 20 seconds. Sanitize your hands and please stay at home. There comes a time when we hear a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying from coronavirus. It's time to lend a helping hand. We can go on if we listen day by day to wash our hands and try to stay at home. 'Cause we are all part of God's great big family. And it's true, the love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home, try to stay at home. There's a chance we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home, try and stay at home, 'cause there's a chance we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a brighter day, just you and me. Lord have mercy on us. Sanitize your hands and wash your hands day by day. Remind someone to do the same thing too. 'Cause there's a chance we're making, we're saving our own lives.
6.3. Only God can stop us now. 6.3 FM.
From long tennis to javelin, swimming, edico wrestling. The way a Tiger Woods is swinging, Sergio Ramos tackling. The way a Messi dribbling, Cristiano Ronaldo scoring. The way a Olilaji Olympics, Aboswa also diving. Adom Sports, Modieni, we're doing the listening.
All right, we'll do the listening. Diane Samuel Kwabadi Batum 106.3 Sports, page 1. Page 1 Agasanie, Eric Asiedu Bwedi.
Alex Kobinastone, Femi Kobistone, Okumankra, Bakua Maka, and Sroja Edura Enyu.
Yes, Siena, Yanfanfi, or Mampani Sama, whatever to Jana Sports of where I saw the Hodi. CBTS of Mampani can be Biatre.
Mepacho, Emna Joe, and Mampani, Edin Common Ebaye, na Ghana Premier League, Division 1, and other leagues are a cost of our memono, or Mampani Chema still, and Nadia said, Yaba Bon and Net, near Bonnet, so no, Uhema Bono, and Adia Bakwa, and Akuma Sopa, and to what to the Boise, no one said Noma, na Nibremuno, Bibia Ebesai Ababak.
Assemblies and sporting events remain banned, and the use by outsiders of school premises for other activities is still not allowed. These are a necessary price to pay in our efforts to protect the lives of our children, as well as to limit and contain the spread of the virus in our country. In the next couple of weeks, a decision will also be taken on the resumption of contact sports, including football, taking into consideration the imminent participation of our national teams in international competitions. As a known lover of football, I know how devastating its absence has been, and it is my hope that very soon we will all have the pleasure of playing and watching the beautiful game again. Until then, non-contact sports are the only sporting events permitted to take place.
Way and in summer His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo Addo Womampanyini and what is somewhere to join your live our Facebook page at Adom 106.3 FM
106.3 FM Abusia Yankwani Mukopie Mama ye catch out that say watching Congress GFA one more ordinary Congress Baso Ghana Soccer Center of Excellence Yanya Samketo and Jesronko and Ghana Football Association Penny Forest Harmony members ready to Kwamna Ghana football atumi afan ntoma pa LDF ya nanka nsambi na mwiem esa members ni bi mpese wo mokọ da bi wo so mokọ eden hotan say enhye no motwenwa mo ntenke fa mo ntumi hu de ekọ na na odro safo executive council members obi afan munyimo na football ntini ekọ congress do ayo
ya say nanse minim say administration we so ana nipa anyan adwen sachira say probably adwen sachira say we see ni pain no waka ni pain but wo kan asem na ka asem a asa wo botokura to dan ho a asem ba botuma fa wekui ban kasa abra wo umbo born to down or before say Pia we pee. Asamaba, and there will be where shall I wait to radio Suaha or channel to radio Suaha or channel wait to radio Suaha or channel to radio Suaha. No, Asma Wokan, Uncle Siaga, a Congress document. And so will be big Kafanwa, Papa, Congress Dano, Uber Transia, was Article 1. Article 2, page 3, page 4, no waka, near corrections, every year wholesale, and young contribute to say you document we are. Now, so what you want to catch a man for say, member Congress, Boko to Congress because you say documents now. What about when that can say, you know, and you're beyond a support. Every when you call up, you have a correspondence document in that channel. But what also can be come as which remember because what follow masses, what follow crowd. And to feel say, a large goose are kind of Bajum baby, a member Congress.
Way any and someone and draw for executive council member
Congress no matter.
Say
Omo Mumba Congress near him for.
Said you okay there na just war minyamena mekania there.
Say Alaji Gusa Kano Bajum babia member Congress.
I get you.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Okay, Abusia, your room, our Joseph Eso, I can know what's in a kind, Edmophobia, never say die until the bones are rotten. No can say, Wakwaja Penny, Equa Kusiakai, Edema Dreams FC. Nano Yapan, Untuma, Edicho, Hessetia, and Penfopan Untumano, Yadim Fonini videos, no, Abecho, Alfidiama, and then summer, Joseph Eso, Eka, Edifa Bukuno, and no any.
Great feeling. Joining Dreams FC is becoming one of the best, or if not the best club in Ghana Premier League. And I believe with the qualities I have, I can help them to achieve their goal. Playing against Dreams FC during my stay at my former club, I think it's a great feeling. But now that I'm with them, I think I'm going to give my best for the club. I have a lot of friends in Dreams FC. Patrick Atta, Okran, Maxwell Atta, and Co. I think they are all quality players, and getting the best out of you, you need quality players around you. So I'm happy joining them. I'm going to do my best, give my best, nothing less than my best to the club Dreams FC. I want to tell the fans that I'm happy joining the club, and I will need their support.
Way and Sama Joseph Eso and what they to just say Dreams FC walk second or Jidise a Bobo Kubia Asopa Nampo her place a woman or Mobabua Amonoson and Shaduno Etime Abbey.
All right, and then Matema the 85 years and 23 Ghana Premier League trophies and Africa Champions League me no FA Cup and Crown Ghana Super Cup me and San Ghana Top 4 Cup me no and Otimose Swaka Amaje 12 Telecom Gala Amaje 3 Ghana Annual Republic Day Cup 3 a two teams of trophies no Amaje Jia Kamani Adia na CEO the Mabobo Kono or run I am Ponsan the Kata Tintin the Ambassador Sports Monkaye no Bia NTB ni Tintin Tietche Moanesa or Shikumaza Sante Kotoko way na Bawa Bano 85 net Chumro Beso more and more na Kotoko Etmi Ejna Mampombia Panya Sanketo Akranti way and someone I am Ponsan Eddie Tuka Eddie Ache Fasting Naso Bia Amray no Muna Fachitashon and Fama Bobo Senabea Yakasa Kotokwa Nanya Africa Nya Ghana Penamum the whole world Ubia Bebo Koka Kakabi Pa Esha Kone Muha your friend Metema Kumasa Sante Kotokwa One Jin Yaman Waja Africa call FIFA Club World Cup kwa jini din wey any ensama na yamponsa ede aba anopea yere won some enso ede bro live on atom 106.5 FM Sports Page 1 na make ka share it mami say the winner of the English FA Cup and the winner of the league the Premier so and the Community Shield and the prepare kwa ansa na league not match as here England but ba na wie ya on penalties no for another year running Liverpool front man for quarter anyan kwa ma Arsenal for Jeff Yomonsam Mikel Arteta Wembley what them say the feelings were open chair and what FA Cup wa Sanji Community Shield ya to so Pierre Emerick Aubameyang na bogo no the Arsenal for me na mino etumi take kan Liverpool penalties no small boy danger ba kokko body pem crossbar no and you know say Arsenal for champions of Community Shield mo hwɛ ni mo say betuma bi papa season a de anima bantika chane so sa efa mo china meeting sonko baso Messi papa ane Bartomeu ekohia hey asem ye Messi ne Barcelona bra nya sam keto atwuma mentwen egusu ekoso testing COVID-19 testing ye no akwana nko omo twene sa wo se hwe omo fre ne kura wonfa Messi adwa wa pilot pa komna enyima ko be na de esi akwankwa no pai
yekom na Betway ede eye Betway casino no apa we de wa na wotina wakonwam na wadenden na fe watimi atwusu se de open no na watimi ediskapa enso ade agu wonim se Betway wo mo ede eye enoma bebrebe na de bia no wo ba yana Betway no options ne doson etukọ wa dia opese okọ ana ubenya bi atwa opese okọ overs ubenya bi atwa ne nyina no aye hyehyɛ sonko a betway.com.gh wo mo ade eba no pai ye ka wasem ade acho MTN ade apa onim se network pa ko a obia agiatum ene uyezuma bisane se network be na oyusu so ka se nya MTN a me so enjoy ne say won ka sempa bi angu asum MTN ene kita the fastest internet connectivity de bia ka WhatsApp edicho star 138 hash na ode to data na fe etimi awie payo enso adiamao amponse for dia pa na catch your BS tablet no we ade na ho towa no apedrebi enkra ne de piano mamonom esanse beboa ama nompe no emu aiden and afi F-Pack blows your pain away eya obeko ama honso no watimi adon wemu ene kitema no pay yede agudie mo nsem no yede ebedan wo
and yeda asia nwumre ebono so let's na sports page 2 dia ba Joseph Abanko Steven onya mu na messages no ye hu yeda sepa ne ada messages e ba nyina on Facebook yeda masema mo hwe so YouTube ne so yeda masepa se choma no chwe mortal kwa meja kwa champion Professor Wallace Padibutwe omie producers fananka saka kejwane Eric Asiedu Puedi
kwasi kwash wo so aduro ene na wodi wa woda happy birthday sonko